everyone, so today I'm going to start a new vlog and I'm heading to York for the first time, and I'm going to take you with me and show you the hotel that I'm staying in because it's an amazing hotel that I've never been, but it looks absolutely amazing from the outside, and it is the Principal of York. And yeah, I'm gonna take you where the places where to eat and what to do in York. So yeah, I really hope you like this vlog and see you later. I have arrived into York, guys, so there you go, welcome to York. So yeah, now I need to find a Principal of York and get here with Dave because it's Dave's birthday. So yeah, oh my god, looks, oh, it's a few snow over here, so I don't know where the hotel is, but I'm gonna take you with me. So this beautiful building is the Principal of York.
This is the back.
This is the back of the hotel. Gonna find the entrance now. And we arrived at the Principal of York, guys. And this is the beautiful outside from the hotel.
But it's freezing.
It's really cold. Ooh, this looks fancy. And look, guys. This amazing interior design from here. So yeah, the Principal of York looks absolutely amazing. I love all the interior over here. Looks so nice. We're going to go now. Where are we going to today?
Chapter House, the bar.
So we're gonna head over there because we are a little bit too early. So yep.
Alcohol.
And we're gonna drink some alcohol because it's Dave's birthday. And what's the name of this cocktail? So we got an answer on a postcard by Sam Florence. So this is my cocktail. I have this Arona, and they've got cocoa something.
Cocoa candy.
Cocoa candy that smells so good.
Coconut rum.
This is the room, guys. This is the beautiful room here at Principal of York. We have a double bed. It looks really massive actually in real life over here. Now we got a telly. Got some over his Dave.
Oh, yeah.
And this is our view. We got some welcome brownies and some delicious sweets. And it says here, welcome to the Principal of York Hotel, dear Mrs. Canas. Oh, this is so nice. Thank you so much, Principal of York. And this is our view from our window. And I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. Oh, they also have a nice mirror over here. And this is the bathroom. They have all marble stuff, towels, a sink. They have bathrobes as well. And this is the shower. Looks nice. So the room looks really, really nice, guys. So yeah. And also the breakfast is included. So yeah, I can't wait to show you as well what we're gonna get for breakfast. And we also got Elemis soap, shampoo and conditioner, and a body lotion as well. Oh, I love these products, they're so good. So here at the Principal. Change of shoes, you guys. So now I'm wearing the sexy heels here, and I will show you the outfit. So I'm just basically wearing the same, and I'm wearing these white heels that I got from Moda in Pelle. But I'm going to be making a picture very soon with these heels. So yeah. And now we are heading to eat at one of the restaurants here at the Principal of York. And yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys what they have. But I've seen that they have venison and pheasant. So I don't know what I'm gonna choose, but we will see. So shame, guys, that I couldn't like videotape food. But this looks divine. Looks so good. It's coconut panna cotta with pineapple. And he's finishing his blueberry cheesecake. And this is the refectory area, you guys. So it looks in the morning. The ceiling looks really good. And the hotel is just next to the train station. And this is the breakfast here at the Principal of York. We're having a full English, especially with black pudding. I like it. So yeah, we're finally going to have breakfast here, and after that we're gonna head to a museum that looks similar to Beamish. So we're really excited to go and visit it. And after that we're gonna see the Minster and yeah, just have a look around at York and walk along the famous York Wall as well. So I'm looking forward to do that. And yeah, we're just recording everything. So we are all ready, and this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a polka dot dress, and we're here with Dave celebrating still his birthday. So we're here at the Principal of York having afternoon tea, and we got cauliflower soup, both of us with a muffin. And I'm gonna continue showing you guys what else we can. And this is the view of this beautiful one. It looks absolutely amazing. What do you think, Dave? You like it?
It's beautiful.
You like the view? And this is the rest that we got here, guys. We got some sandwiches, scones, whipped cream, marmalade, some moringa stuff, and polenta, I think she said, brownies and something like that. Are you excited, Dave?
I'm very excited.
What are you going to try first?
All of it.
Interior design here looks so beautiful, you guys. Stairs here at the Principal are so beautiful, you guys. Look at this. So yeah, the stay at the Principal was so nice, you guys. So I even went to a swimming pool, had to swim, even went to the hot tub. And had amazing breakfast as well too. Just love these mirrors here behind me and the beautiful stairs. And now it's time to head back to Newcastle. So Dave, what do you think about our stay at the Principal?
Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful place.
What do you like the most?
A comfy bed.
So do you enjoy the jacuzzi as well? And the swimming pool?
Jacuzzi was lovely and relaxing. Just what I needed from my bad back.
Yeah, look at that. Good looking, Dave.
Huh?
Good looking. So yeah, we had a really nice cool stay. We stayed here for 2 days. As I promised you guys, I was supposed to go outside and visit some sightseeing in York, but we didn't.
A little bit.
Yeah, we did just a little bit, and we ended up staying here at the Principal and enjoy the facilities they had.
Lovely swimming pool, jacuzzi. Room was lovely. Restaurant's nice. All the bars are nice. So, yeah.
The food was really, really good. So Dave had pheasant and I had like pork belly. It was really, really good. I mean, at the end we stayed just here in the restaurant. I mean, in the hotel.
Yeah.
Because the bed was so good. I really wish I could have one like that in my house. So yeah, it was worth it. So thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I guess I'll see you into my next trip and into my next hotel review. Bye.